This is my Striso board. When I first encountered the Striso, I fell in love with it, and the love is still the same today, for several reasons. One, because of its form factor. It's so small, portable, looks amazing, and with the wood and the very unique kind of material, I think he calls it dragon skin, you really just feel comfortable playing it. The other reason is because of its very original layout. It makes you think of music in a different way than you'd usually think about it when you play the guitar or when you play the piano. It's made by different scales, and it's very easy to transpose scales or chords once you know them. And the third point, which is probably the most important, is this is so expressive. It's MPE and class compliant, so I can plug it into an axolotti, my computer, an iPad, and have real expression in such a small factor. Each key can be pressed harder or more or less harder, can go pitch bending, and also in the other direction, something else. So it could be the filter, the waveform, or whatever. So each key independently has different expression. It's amazing.